Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, you have to put it down for a sec. My hands are a little
Okay.
nasty, but the sewer line's in good shape.
Good. Okay.
Yeah. To be honest with you, Ballard is not the neighborhood to be giving good news to sewers. So like, it's really good.
Good. Good.
Yeah, most of it's plastic. All of your 4-inch is plastic. So like from where it leaves the house all the way to the sidewalk.
Oh, great.
Then it
So
upside.
the only thing I need to do is this pipe.
Yeah. There's some old. I mean, the sewers in Seattle are always the worst because you own it all the way to the road.
Yeah.
There's some existing pipe in there, but it looks like it's in okay shape. So I don't think that you'll have any concerns. If it was my house, I wouldn't.
Okay.
I'm making a video for you too so you can see. How long have you guys lived here?
5 years.
I was wondering too, I saw a scuba diving tank in the garage.
Oh yeah, you died.
You do?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, do you?
No.
Oh.
I wish I did.
I bet you could get some cool underwater sewage shots if you did.
I wonder, yeah. My
I
dad
think
was
they pay a lot for
my dad was a commercial diver, so I was
cool.
I always grew up like with all of his pictures and videos and stuff, and then all of my relatives live in Eastern Washington. They're all farmers with big pools and stuff. So we go fix their pools when they'd leak. My dad would put the scuba gear on and we'd pass the regulator back and forth until we found the leak, and just dropping little dye all around the pool to see where it would get sucked out.
Wow, that's cool.
But yeah, I've never been actual real diving.
It's great diving around here. It's beautiful.
That's what I've heard.
Yeah, it's cold.
I don't know how I